Hello, friends. Today we are bringing you the idea of boho chairs. And boho chairs are a unique article to decorate your home. And we try to bring a good collection of boho chairs so you can select something beautiful and good for your home from a larger variety of boho chairs. And what makes boho chair beautiful is your unique style of decoration. They are decorated with multiple lights and fairy lights and with threads and with beads and sometimes with some hanging fabric, and they look just beautiful, and they can be used inside the room, in corner of your living room or your bedroom, but when they are in the form of swings and they are just hanging, then you can use them even in your lawns to make them an important part of your decor and comfort too, where you can lie down, you can sit and swing. So they are just an amazing article of furniture for home decor, and they are just a beautiful addition to your home to make it more beautiful and more amazing. And boho chairs are sometimes they are just wooden swings, and you have to add a cushion of your choice with them of any color, and sometimes there are some leather cushions even which are some tufted chairs, and some boho chairs are even without backless chairs. They are not very high, and sometimes boho chairs are with long and elongated backs, and they are just beautiful in styles and designs. And boho chairs, when they are in hanging form or in some other way too, they sometimes can give a look of some rustic styles, but they are unique in nature, and their designing and decor and crafting, they all are different, and they give just an amazing look to your room. And you can add some hanging lights and beads and loose fabrics with the boho chairs to make it look more beautiful and more comfortable. And if it is in your room, then too you can add beautiful articles with it to make it more beautiful, and it will add the beauty to your boho chair. And if you like swings or long and elongated boho chairs, and you can place them on your terraces, and you can choose them on your terraces. They will definitely make a greater a beautiful part of your terrace, and a great addition to the beauty of your terrace. And you can choose them for your lawns too, and where you can add them, uh, and you can sit whenever you want to have a leisure time. And some boho chairs are with very comfortable backs,